Welcome viewers, welcome to my channel. I remain tutor Cletus Okoli. Kindly subscribe to my channel and also share my videos with your learning colleagues. Today we want to pick an Olympiad math question, and the question is written on the board that if x raised to power x is equal to x, then what should be the value of x? Let us dive in. From the solution to this question, x raised to power x equal to x. First step is to move x from the right to the left, and that will give me x raised to power x minus x equal to 0. Now see what I will do next. X raised to power x, then minus 1 plus 1 minus x equal to 0. What I have done to the power of x, I have added 1 and subtracted 1. That means I have minus 1 plus 1, which is the same thing as 0. So this approach is to achieve something, to actually get the value of x. Now, what I will do next is to apply the law of indices, and this becomes for me x raised to power x minus x, then multiply by x raised to power 1, that is this one, then minus x raised to power 1 is equal to 0. What have I done? A raised to power x minus plus y is equal to a raised to power x multiplied by a raised to power y. So, x raised to power x minus 1 is this, multiplied by x raised to power 1. Very good. At this point, I can factor what is common, and that is x raised to power 1. So I now have x outside the bracket. Into the bracket I have x raised to power x minus 1, then minus 1. The whole of this is equal to 0. I have factored out this x raised to power 1 here, and also this x raised to power 1. So when this x raised to power 1 is factored out, what I have left is x raised to power x minus 1, that is this. And then if this is factored out, what I have left is minus 1. So, and whenever we have brackets like this, what it means is that the first is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0. Also the second, which is the second bracket, is equal to 0, which is x raised to power x minus 1, then minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, from the first, we have gotten that x is equal to 0. Okay? Now, from the second bracket, we have written down that x raised to power x minus 1, then minus 1 is equal to 0. Meaning that I can write it as x raised to power x minus 1 equal to 1. That is moving negative 1 to the right hand side. It will give me a positive 1 by the right hand side. Alright. But 1 can also be represented as, I have here x raised to power x minus 1 equal to x raised to power 0. By law of indices, any number or letter raised to power 0 is 1. By this point, or at this juncture, what I can see is that the bases are the same. And when the bases are the same, the powers automatically becomes equal. So I cancel out the bases that are the same. So I now have x minus 1 equal to 0, making x equal to positive 1. Answer. Now, we have gotten two answers, x equal to 1 and x equal to 0. We want to test to see which one is correct. Testing with x equal to 0, the first answer from the original question, that is checking the result. Check result. I have x raised to power x equal to x. So if the x is 0, I have 0 raised to power 0 equal to 0. This is actually undefined, okay? We cannot have 0 raised to power 0. So this is undefined. Undefined. So we cannot take this. Then when x is 1, from here we have 1 raised to power 1 is equal to 1. And that is 1 equal to 1. Therefore, we can conclude that the value of x here is equal to 1. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching to the end. May God bless you. Subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Bye.